What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of some recent Morgan purchases I picked up and also some German half marks. And we're going to start with the half marks. I've already pre-opened these so you don't have to watch me open these up and be all boring. cutting. Plus I don't like cutting while I'm looking through the lens of my camera here. And as a matter of fact, let me turn up the brightness on my screen. Okay, that's better. Now I can see myself better. All right, so these are all German half marks. Some of them I think are really, really nice. And I don't have a ton of money into each one of these. Actually, let me look that up. Okay, so yeah, literally I got like under $3 per these German silver marks. I thought that was a pretty good deal considering the melt value on these is pretty close to $2. And these are all going to be 90% silver. So very similar to US coinage. US coinage is obviously 90% silver, unless you're dealing with, you know, commemorative metals or something where they go 100%. But I guess I wanted to show these off in the raw. And I've never, like I've been to Germany as a kid. I don't think I've ever seen a half mark before. So these are all going to be like older coins. Cut all these ahead of time. For some reason, the seller likes to put tape over the flips. Maybe so they don't open up. I'm not sure. But I don't even like reuse these type of flips when they're this dirty. I'll toss them. Or I might use them as like gift flips. All right. So anyways, these are all going to have similar design. I think they're all going to have the same well, they're definitely all going to have the same reverses. Wow, that's some cool tonnage on this one. And that's through the lens of my camera. That's really nice looking. So the German mints, I don't know with like what the alphabets mean, but I do know like when I look these up. So you're going to look for the mint mark here on the reverse of the coin. So A is probably the most common. And yeah, these all just say half mark on it. So this is a 1908. Really cool toning on it though. So again, I don't know what this is worth, what I'm going to list it for by the time you guys watch this video. Hopefully I'll have it all listed in my eBay shop. Like I said, this just came today. So this is a Thursday after Christmas, December 2022. Here's a 1906 D. Not sure. Again, like here in the United States, we have like, well, we don't put P on our coins for Philadelphia, but we put D for Denver and S for San Francisco. So when I like see D, I wanted to say Denver, but there's no Denver in it. See, there's another D. There's no Denver in Germany. There's no Denmark either. That's a country. So 1905. And then here we have another A. This is a little more common. So that's a 1905. So it's pretty cool. These are like the size of a nickel. Here, I'll get a US nickel side by side. They're not as thick, but like there's one of our interesting versions of a nickel here. So yeah, fits inside of a nickel. But all these German half marks. So F, I would assume F is for Frankfurt. That is a really good guess. But I think the Frankfurt ones are more rare. Give me a second here. Let me look it up. Yeah, the Frankfurt ones are a little more rare for whatever reason. And these are all prior to World War II and World War I. So pretty cool coinage. It's actually amazing like this stuff still exists because like, you know, like who was hiding this, you know, back in the day? This must have been the money like someone fled to another country with. There's another A from 1915. And then a couple of these are going to be like BU, which I thought was really cool. So yeah, here's an another A mint mark. 1914. And then here's here's a nicer one here. This one I think's the one I'll be asking 20 bucks for. Look at the difference here. So nice. Yeah, it's from 1916. So like again, like it's to me it's kind of amazing. Like, okay, this isn't in a slab. Like, who found this coin, or who had this set aside, and who like got this coin and like literally never used it. Like, that looks mint fresh. There's no dents, dings. This is a really nice high quality coin. And again, I don't know there's a ton of value in it, but if I ask 20 bucks and someone picks this up and they need it for their collection, or they just want to have it just because of the design, really, really beautiful coin. I've never sent coins in to get graded. I've never sent any. Shouldn't say that. I've never sent any world coins in to get graded. I don't know. Does it cost the same? I know I've watched some other channels where they send in their world coins to get graded, and like, you always think like they did really well, but like half the coins come back clean. Like, to me, a clean coin is not really worth it unless it's like so rare. You just are looking for some sort of grade or just verification that it's real. It's actually got some nice luster, like mirror fields on it. Maybe that's just a reflection. I'm like pretending I'm looking at a Morgan right now. And then here's another Denver Mint. No, not a Denver Mint. A D Mint. Dusseldorf. 1915. Is Dusseldorf even a German city? Surprised that they say M for Munich, right? Isn't that the capital? Or B for Berlin? Back during the Cold War. All right, now it's going to bother me. I got to find out what this D means. Let me pause it. All right, now I feel really dumb. Well, this makes no sense. So A means Berlin. D means Munich. F is for Stuttgart. G is for... what the heck is it? Karl's what? Karlsruhe, and J is for Hamburg. So I've heard of all of them except the one I can't pronounce, Karlsruhe. But yeah, Berlin and Munich, those are the common ones. I guess the Stuttgart for F as in Frank. But a Stuttgart, I don't know. Like, Germans pronounce it Stuttgart, and they use an actual S. So why is the F mint mark mean Stuttgart? That's really confusing. Well, at least I looked it up for you guys. So yeah, these A ones are Berlin, and then the F is Stuttgart. These are two beauties right here, man. These are smoking. Again, it's like, how does a coin like this? Okay, so this was minted in Berlin. So like, who took this coin like fresh out of a roll and just like never used it, or like they stacked it away? I mean, wasn't that around World War I? That's just such a beautiful coin. So again, that'll probably be a $20 coin. But yeah, this, when they're in these conditions and it's in this luster, you can like make out all the details of the coin. Very, very cool. Again, 90% silver. And I think this is a rare one here. Is this the Stuttgart one? Nope, this is the Berlin one again as well. It's got some tonnage on it, but very beautiful coin. And then the last one here, I just wanted to see them all. This is a Stuttgart one, which are more rare. F as in Frank there, or F as in Stuttgart, 1916. So very cool. So very happy with those. So again, I've literally got like melt value in these, and I think these 3 BU looking coins will be excellent. So anytime you can pick up a collection and literally like out of one of the coins get your money back, and the rest is like you can at least go to a coin shop and get silver melt, that's a good pickup for when you're looking at world coins themselves. So if you come across any of these half marks along your travels, obviously condition is one thing, but if they say F as in Frank or F as in Stuttgart, those are the more rare ones. So those are the ones that give you a little more value. So again, these might be pretty common to find in Germany or other countries, or maybe they're not. Like, again, I don't know if there's coin shops in Germany, if they call them something else. But very happy with this pickup, and I'll be listing those individually. And it'll be cool to share with others. Again, anytime you can pick something up for close to melt value with numismatic value, that is awesome. Okay, so that does it for the half marks. I'm gonna pause it. Well, I'm gonna stop the video here and film my Morgan ones next. So appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and these will be listed in my eBay shop if you are interested in adding any of these to your collection. Appreciate you guys watching. Bye bye.